Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite tips and tricks for applying false lashes. I'm also going to explain the differences between eyelashes. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. Alright, so I'm going to show you using my brand, Amy June Lashes, the difference between shapes of eyelash. We have cat eye lashes that look like this, where the inner corner is shorter than the outer corner. Same with this style here. These are my 3D velvet, and as you can see, the inner corner is shorter than the outer corner. Another example of this would also be my Chloe lashes from my 3D Silk collection, and maybe you cannot see it. Here we go. The inner corner is shorter than the outer corner. So the next type of lash is a round lash. So a round lash would be like our ivy lash. Let me just pull it out, it might be easier to see. Meaning that inner corner and the outer corner are very close to the same length, making them longer in the middle and shorter on the outsides. So when you cut these eyelashes, you have to be a little more careful because you have to cut from each end. Versus you're going to cut a cat eyelash, you need to cut from the outer edge. Always from each outer edge. So you're probably asking yourself, well, what is best for my eye? Well, it depends on the look that you're going for. Generally, if you have smaller eyes, you're going to want to go with a round lash. However, I have small eyes, and I find that I can get away with lashes similar to our Brisa style that are cat eye, but that are a little bit more wispy and flary. Those open my eyes up, and this is the lash I'm going to use today to show you. Round lashes will open your eyes up as well, versus cat eyelashes kind of pull them this direction, which is a really sexy, sultry look. So it really depends what you're going for. If you're going for like an everyday natural look, I would go with a round lash. If you're going for more of a dramatic, I guess it depends though, because you wouldn't wear this as like an everyday look unless you're really into makeup and it's your thing to wear eyelashes. But more of like a natural round lash. So I guess it just really depends. There is no exact formula. It's just really the look that you're going for. Generally, rule of thumb, they say that if you have smaller eyes, you're going to want to go with a round lash to open them up this way. But it all depends on the shape of your eye. So keep that in mind. If you ever have questions or need help picking an eyelash for your specific eye, you can always send me a direct message to my Instagram, or you can ask a comment or leave a comment below and I can help you there. So let's get into the tutorial. So what you're going to need to apply your false lashes is a pair of false lashes. You're going to need some tweezers. There are a couple different types of tweezers. There's a regular tweezer, and then there's an eyelash applicator tweezer. You're going to need some type of scissors to cut your eyelashes, and then you're going to need some type of eyelash adhesive. I like latex free, and I like the brush on kind. It's easier. I find it doesn't clump or stick to my eyelashes. So your first step is to apply mascara. I only applied top mascara for right now because if I close my eyes, I don't want the top mascara or the bottom mascara to get all over my face, so I only applied top mascara for right now. So I applied the top mascara, and then I have my false lashes. So just to share with you guys, when removing the eyelashes from the tray, do not use tweezers and pull them, because these are made of cotton bands, and a lot of eyelashes have double cotton bands or whatever, and if you pull and you put pressure in one spot, they can come apart. So you want to do this very gently, and my recommendation is to do this with your thumb. So let me turn the camera down and I'll show you exactly how I do it. Take your thumb and you are going to gently pull from the outer edge. Once you get the outer edge up, you can gently pull the eyelash off the rest of the tray. So now you are going to measure it to your eye, using the inner corner as the guide to the inner part of your eye. It's kind of hard to do this without a mirror, I'm not gonna lie. So you're gonna measure it, and you can see how much I need to cut off, this much. So then you're going to take your your scissors, and you're just going to cut from the outer edge to get that. There we go. And oftentimes when they package eyelashes, they leave a little bit of that inner corner there, so you're gonna go ahead and trim that off at this time also, just so the eyelash looks like this. There we go, and it should fit your eye that way. You're just going to go ahead and apply your eyelash glue across the band. And then you're just gonna let it get tacky, which generally is maybe like 15 seconds. I guess it really depends on the eyelash glue, but generally like around 15 seconds or so. You can blow on it if it's your own eyelash. If you're doing this on a client, don't blow on it, sanitary reasons. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just prep the other eyelash by pulling it out with my thumb, and then go ahead and I'm going to measure my other eye. Okay, and then go ahead and cut that inner corner if the lash has it. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It just really depends. Okay, and then we are going to put the glue on here just so we can get tacky and save time. I feel like a lot of people think that it takes a long time to put eyelashes on, but once you get down like a routine and your other lash is drying, so you might as well prep the next lash, put that one on, that one's setting, then put that one on and you're done. So let's make it easy on ourselves here. I'm going to use a mirror, which happens to be in my favorite highlighter palette right now, which is this brand here, Shades by Shan. They have several different products, but I love this highlighter. I have it on right now. So I am going to use this, and I am going to apply the eyelash using the eyelash tweezers. So you'll just slide the eyelash in. These ones are a little more challenging because they're so 3D. As you can see, they're like sticking up through where I'm sticking it, but it's all good. And then I'm gonna try to do this so you can see without me getting in the camera way. And you're just going to look down, which I have the mirror here, so you're just gonna look down into the mirror and pop it right on top of your eye. And then here is where you can use the smaller tweezers, and you can set them exactly where they need to go. And then you're just going to apply the mascara to your bottom lashes. For me, I generally would wear eyeliner and things like that, but for the purpose of this video, it's just straight eyelashes. Alright, so this eyelash is on, and I took my thumbnail photos. I still have crazy hair, but now I'm going to apply my next eyelash. Do what works best for you. On my left eye, I like to use a tweezer, but on my right eye, I like to put it on with my hands. I'm just more comfortable. I'm left-handed, so maybe that's why. So then I'm just going to use my trusted Shades by Shan mirror again. Shameless plug. And I'm just going to look down and then apply it right onto my eyelash line. Just set it there. Don't worry. You can always move it around before you fully stick it, but just set it down and it's pretty good. And then you can use your tweezers to fine tune it, I guess you can call that. Just make sure that, sorry, that's the light, the inner corner is stuck, because that's a problem area for a lot of eyelash wearers, is that the inner corner doesn't stick or the inner corner pokes. If it starts to poke, then try to clamp it together a little bit to see if maybe you can move the eyelash a little bit so that it's more comfortable. If not, you may have to pull it off and cut it a little more, and it might be too long. So if you feel any type of uncomfortable poking I mean, you're gonna feel something because you have something on your eye. So if you're not used to wearing eyelashes, just give it a little bit of time to get used to. I like to compare it to two-thong underwear. Basically, when you first put them on, you can feel them, and then after about a few minutes, you can't feel them anymore. So that's kind of how it is when you first put eyelashes on if you're not used to them. Even if you are, like right now, I can still feel this one, but I can't feel this one anymore. So your eyes just have to get used to them. And then all you're going to do is apply your mascara to your bottom lash line. And if you see some lashes that need it, like in here we go, you can kind of see right in here that I need to put a little bit of mascara. I didn't get enough. Let me zoom you back out, scare you to death. Okay, and then we are just going to pop mascara onto the bottom. And generally I would have eye makeup on, but if I'm in a rush, sometimes I don't even wear eye makeup. It makes the eyelashes pop more. I'm trying to train myself to not make that like awful face when I'm like putting mascara on camera, because now people are watching me versus before at home it didn't matter. So there we have it, and that is it. And of course it took me a little bit longer because I am filming a video, but generally it doesn't take me very long to pop on eyelashes. I feel like the second time is easier because your lashes are already cut. So when I take these off tonight, I will put them back on the tray. I have worn this exact, not this pair that I have on my eyes because you saw me pull it off of here, but this exact style 18 times the last time before I threw it away. And I was so sad because I'm like, I know I'm gonna have to cut them the next time. And then, you know, if you have to do something extra, it may deter you from actually doing it, you know, kind of like how you should wash all your produce right when you get home so you're more likely to grab for it, if that makes sense. Same with eyelashes the second time around. It's easier. You don't have to cut them. All you have to do is take your fingers and gently pull the glue off, and use your fingers, not tweezers, and gently pull the glue off. Re-put the glue on, put them on your eyes, and you are out the door. So I really hope that this helped you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, more day in the lives. I do a planner video every week so you guys can see exactly how my weeks are set up and how I organize them in my happy planner, as well as I've been really into cooking videos. People have requested them, so I have a meal prep video that will go live after this video, as well as a planner video after this video as well. So you should be seeing this video on Sunday, if not Monday, and then you'll see the planner video hopefully Monday, and then the meal prep video Wednesday or Thursday. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.